We all enjoy watching videos and listening to music on YouTube. But did you know that you can actually listen to music on YouTube and be paid every day, hour, or even minute? That sounds pretty awesome, right? Not only that, but the amount of money you can earn is insane. If you listen to one piece of music, you can earn up to $10. If you listen to 5 pieces of music, you can earn up to $50, and guess what? You can earn all of this by simply watching videos. You can make more than 100, and remember that you don't need to invest on this one. It can be done in as little as 5 to 10 minutes with your smartphone or computer, and you can repeat the procedure as much as you want. But before we go further to this video, welcome to the Best Finance, where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now I'll show you the first website and app that you'll want to use. Current, as you can see here, you'll be paid for playing music. Keep watching as I'll show you a real-life example of how to do this, including how to play a song, which music to play, and bonus ideas to help you generate more money. Make sure you don't miss out on the important details, which you can see here when you go to their main website, which is Current. As you can see, I want to earn money while I'm running, or while you're working, or whatever it is you're doing, and you can still listen to music as a background, and then boom, you're earning. So this app is now available on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone. So quickly let me show you this app's logo, so make sure you download and get the correct ones to earn money. This is now available on the Google Play Store, and you can get the same application on your iPhone directly from the App Store. Now you can listen to music online or even when you're not connected to the internet, which is quite convenient because you don't have to pay anything to start using this app. This app is completely free, and you can earn points by listening to your favorite music, which you can then exchange for cash. Once you've downloaded the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, go to the YouTube Music radio station. When you go to your account, you'll see something similar to this. Now keep your eyes fixed and don't miss out on anything, because this is only one of the ways to earn money while playing music. This can help you pay your bills, and I'll show you how to triple your earnings. As you can see if you scroll down, there are a lot of music playlists and artists to choose from, as well as a lot of suggested music. When you combine YouTube Music with the Current website, you can generate profit on complete autopilot, and I'll show you how to do it in an instant. I'd like to give you an example of one of my playlists that is very focused on allowing me to play these. If you notice, there is a lot of music queued up, and I can add more to these playlists and once this music is finished playing. For example, these ones that are currently playing, you can automatically go on to the next music and so on, and they'll automatically play all the music right here, and you'll get paid for every single song. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. When you're able to look at the playlist, as you can see here, if I move my mouse over this icon in the bottom right of the screen, I can also turn on the rewind button, which means that once this playlist has finished playing from the first song to the last, they'll automatically jump to the next song and you can make money again. I'll tell you a secret first. Make sure you queue up as much music as you can. The second secret is that if you go to the home page and look at the hot list, you'll be taken to a page with more high quality and suggested video, as well as new music videos to view again and again. I strongly advise you to choose one of these movies because they will pay you more money than the current one. However, keep in mind that YouTube will not pay you money. Instead, this website will pay you money to sync when you can synchronize your YouTube music with this app, so that you will play music on YouTube. You will be paid right now. As you can see, I have 3 music players running, number 1, number 2 playlist and number 3. I'll give you another bonus tip, which is that you can open multiple tabs or listen to music to earn money. I'll show you a few quick keys right here that can help you make even more money. As you can see, I currently have 3 music players playing. You can open multiple tabs or listen to music to earn money. But how can you make money from this? To begin, go to YouTube and search for music that is at least 1 hour long. This is 1 hour because the longer the music is, the more music you can play, and the more money you will make. Right now, I'd like to give you another suggestion, which is to click on the settings button when you're ready. When I click here, you want to increase the speed by a factor or 2, because the speed will be normal by default. But if you double the speed and right-click on here, you'll see that your playback speed is 2, indicating that you may play the music at double the space, implying that the more music you listen to, the more money you will make. Here's another secret: if you have a slow internet connection, or if you have a lot of people sharing the internet, you can lower the quality to 144p to avoid consuming too much data. This way you can still listen to music in multiple tabs, so I'll show you this fantastic Chrome extension now. It's YouTube Playback Speed Control, which you can see here. You can download it on Google Chrome, your computer, or your smartphone, and it's completely free. When you download this on Google Chrome browser, you can play it on your phone at 3 times the speed. Because as you can see, the maximum speed on YouTube is up to 2 times the normal, 1.25 by 5.75 up to 2 times the maximum speed. But when you use these Google Chrome's extensions, you can play at 3 times the speed or triple the speed. Once you download the extension, you will be able to make a lot more money, since you will be able to play music faster on both the YouTube and YouTube Music platforms. Now that we're nearing the finish of the video, I'd like to give you some additional advice once again. All you have to do is go to the Google Play Store and download the software, or go to the App Store and get the Current Rewards offline music app if you're using an iPhone. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.